This Mediterranean beauty just changed my perspective on mid-sized cruise ships. The MSC Sinfonia proves that bigger isn't always better when it comes to creating an unforgettable vacation experience. After sailing on dozens of cruise ships over the years, I can tell you that finding the perfect balance between intimate atmosphere and comprehensive amenities is rare. The Sinfonia nails this balance in ways that surprised me from the moment I stepped aboard. Let me take you through what makes this ship special, starting with where you'll actually be spending your nights. The accommodations on MSC Sinfonia range from cozy interior cabins to spacious suites, each designed with Mediterranean flair that immediately transports you to coastal Italy. The interior staterooms are compact but cleverly designed, making every square foot count. These cabins feature comfortable beds, adequate storage space, and modern bathrooms that feel surprisingly roomy for their size. The decor incorporates warm earth tones and subtle nautical elements that create a welcoming atmosphere. Ocean view cabins step things up with portholes or picture windows that flood the space with natural light. Watching the Mediterranean coastline drift by from your bed is an experience that never gets old. The views alone justify the upgrade for most travelers. Balcony cabins offer private outdoor space where you can enjoy morning coffee or evening wine while listening to the waves. The balconies are well-sized for 2 people and include comfortable seating. The sliding glass doors create a seamless indoor-outdoor feel that's perfect for Mediterranean sailing. The suites take luxury to another level with separate living areas, larger balconies, and premium amenities. Suite guests enjoy priority boarding, dedicated concierge service, and access to exclusive areas of the ship. The master suites feature marble bathrooms with whirlpool tubs and walk-in closets that rival high-end hotels. Family accommodations deserve special mention, with connecting cabins and larger staterooms that can sleep up to 4 or 5 guests. These rooms include sofa beds and additional storage specifically designed for families traveling with children. Now let's talk about what might be the ship's greatest strength: the dining options. MSC Sinfonia approaches food with the passion you'd expect from an Italian cruise line, and the results speak for themselves. The main dining room serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner with menus that change daily. The Italian influence shines through in perfectly prepared pasta dishes, fresh seafood, and desserts that would make a Roman pastry chef proud. The service here strikes that perfect balance between attentive and unobtrusive. La Regia restaurant offers more upscale dining with a focus on regional Italian specialties. The ambience feels like dining in a Tuscan villa, complete with warm lighting and elegant table settings. Reservations are recommended, especially for dinner service. The Villa San Martino buffet provides casual dining with an impressive variety of international cuisines. The pizza station consistently produces some of the best shipboard pizza I've encountered, with thin crusts and fresh toppings that rival pizzerias in Naples. For those seeking specialty dining, the ship features several smaller venues that showcase different culinary traditions. The sushi bar offers surprisingly fresh fish and skilled preparation, while the grill serves perfectly cooked steaks and seafood with Mediterranean flair. The coffee bars scattered throughout the ship serve authentic Italian espresso that puts most land-based coffee shops to shame. The gelato station creates handmade flavors daily, and watching the process is almost as enjoyable as eating the results. Room service operates around the clock with a menu that goes beyond typical cruise fare. The late-night pizza delivery has saved many a hungry traveler returning from evening entertainment or shore excursions. The pool areas on MSC Sinfonia create distinct atmospheres for different types of relaxation. The main pool deck buzzes with activity during sea days, featuring a large pool surrounded by comfortable loungers and umbrellas for shade. The Zen pool offers adults-only tranquility with a more sophisticated atmosphere. This area includes a smaller pool, hot tub, and premium lounging areas where conversation stays at a respectful volume. It's perfect for reading, napping, or simply enjoying peaceful ocean views. The sun decks provide ample space for sunbathing, with both covered and uncovered areas to suit different preferences. The deck chairs are comfortable and well-maintained, and towel service ensures you're never without the essentials. 2 whirlpools complement the pool areas, strategically positioned to offer the best ocean views. The water temperature is consistently perfect, making them popular spots for evening relaxation under the stars. The pool bar keeps refreshments flowing throughout the day, with bartenders who remember your preferences after just a few visits. The poolside snack service means you never have to leave the sun for sustenance. Activities aboard MSC Sinfonia cater to every energy level and interest. The fitness center features modern equipment with ocean views that make workouts feel less like work. Yoga classes on the upper deck at sunrise create magical moments that landlubbers never experience. The sports deck includes a basketball court and jogging track that circles the ship. Running laps while watching dolphins play in the wake creates a surreal exercise experience that beats any gym membership. Entertainment options range from Broadway-style shows in the main theater to intimate piano bars perfect for quiet conversation. The production shows feature talented performers, elaborate costumes, and staging that rivals much larger ships. The casino offers gaming enthusiasts slots, table games, and poker tournaments. Even non-gamblers enjoy the lively atmosphere and people-watching opportunities. The dealers are friendly and patient with newcomers to various games. Enrichment programs include cooking classes with the ship's chefs, wine tastings featuring Italian vintages, and lectures about destinations you'll visit. These activities add educational value to your vacation experience. The spa facilities transform the concept of shipboard wellness into something truly special. The MSC Oria Spa creates a sanctuary of calm with treatment rooms that incorporate natural elements and soothing color palettes. Signature treatments blend traditional techniques with modern innovations, using high-quality products that leave skin feeling renewed. The hot stone massages are particularly memorable, performed by skilled therapists who understand the healing power of touch. The thermal suite includes saunas, steam rooms, and relaxation areas that promote deep relaxation. The hydrotherapy pool features jets positioned to target different muscle groups, perfect after active shore excursions. Fitness classes range from high-energy aerobics to gentle stretching sessions. The instructors adapt routines for all fitness levels and create inclusive environments where everyone feels comfortable participating. The spa's relaxation areas feature comfortable loungers, herbal teas, and quiet spaces for meditation or reading. Spending time here between treatments enhances the overall wellness experience. Beauty services include haircuts, styling, manicures, and pedicures performed by skilled professionals. Getting pampered while sailing through the Mediterranean adds luxury to any vacation. Young guests find plenty of excitement in the kids' club areas designed specifically for different age groups. The mini club welcomes children ages 3 to 11 with supervised activities that blend fun with learning. Craft projects, treasure hunts, and themed parties keep younger guests engaged while parents enjoy adult time. The club leaders speak multiple languages and create inclusive environments where children from different countries play together naturally. The Juniors Club serves ages 12 to 17 with activities that appeal to teenage interests. Video game tournaments, dance classes, and movie nights provide age-appropriate entertainment in dedicated teen-only spaces. Family activities bring generations together for cooking classes, scavenger hunts, and deck parties. These shared experiences create lasting memories and strengthen family bonds in ways that traditional vacations rarely achieve. Babysitting services allow parents to enjoy adults-only dining or entertainment while children remain safely supervised. The professional staff undergoes extensive training and background checks for peace of mind. The itineraries available on MSC Sinfonia showcase some of the Mediterranean's most captivating destinations. 7-night cruises typically include stops in Barcelona, Marseille, Genoa, Naples, Palermo, and Tunis, creating a perfect introduction to Mediterranean culture. Barcelona offers architectural wonders like the Sagrada Familia and Parc Güell, plus vibrant food markets and beaches. Shore excursions range from city walking tours to flamenco shows that capture Spanish passion. Marseille combines French sophistication with Mediterranean charm, featuring the historic Old Port and nearby lavender fields of Provence. Wine tasting excursions and cooking classes showcase regional specialties. Genoa reveals Christopher Columbus' birthplace and stunning palaces that reflect centuries of maritime wealth. The city's narrow streets hide amazing restaurants and shops selling authentic Italian products. Naples provides access to Pompeii's ancient ruins and the dramatic Amalfi Coast. Pizza tours in the city where pizza was invented offer delicious cultural education that appeals to all ages. Palermo showcases Sicily's unique blend of Italian, Arab, and Norman influences through architecture, cuisine, and local traditions. Market visits and street food tours reveal authentic Sicilian life. Tunis adds North African flavor with Medina explorations, carpet shopping, and the nearby ruins of Carthage. This cultural contrast enriches the overall Mediterranean experience in unexpected ways. After experiencing numerous Mediterranean cruises, MSC Sinfonia stands out for several compelling reasons. The ship's size creates an intimate atmosphere where you recognize faces and staff remember your preferences, yet offers enough amenities to prevent boredom during sea days. The Italian hospitality shines through in every interaction, from housekeeping staff who create towel animals to servers who remember how you like your coffee. This attention to detail creates a welcoming environment that feels more like visiting friends than staying at a hotel. The ship shows its age in some areas, with decor that reflects early 2000s design trends rather than contemporary styles. However, ongoing refurbishments address the most dated elements while preserving the ship's classic charm. Dining quality exceeds expectations for a ship this size, with authentic Italian flavors and fresh ingredients that rival land-based restaurants. The variety ensures even picky eaters find satisfying options throughout their cruise. Entertainment programming strikes the right balance between scheduled activities and free time. You're never bored, but you're also never overwhelmed by constant announcements or pressure to participate in everything. What truly sets MSC Sinfonia apart from competitors is its authentic Mediterranean character that goes beyond superficial theming. The ship feels genuinely Italian, from the espresso quality to the passionate way staff discuss their homeland. The size advantage becomes apparent in ports where larger ships create crowding and long lines. Sinfonia passengers often enjoy shorter waits for tenders and less competition for prime photo spots at popular attractions. The crew-to-passenger ratio allows for more personalized service than megaships can provide. Bartenders learn your drink preferences, dining room servers remember your dietary restrictions, and housekeeping staff accommodate special requests with genuine enthusiasm. The ship's draft allows access to smaller ports that larger vessels cannot reach, creating opportunities for more authentic cultural experiences. These intimate port calls often become cruise highlights that guests remember long after returning home. The onboard atmosphere encourages socializing in ways that larger ships sometimes inhibit. Common areas feel welcoming rather than overwhelming, and making friends with fellow passengers happens naturally during shared experiences. For business travelers or special events, MSC Sinfonia offers several meeting spaces that can accommodate various group sizes. The conference center features modern audiovisual equipment and flexible seating arrangements suitable for corporate retreats or seminars. Private dining options allow groups to host special celebrations or business dinners in elegant settings. The event planning staff assists with everything from menu selection to entertainment coordination. The ship's intimate size makes it ideal for charter opportunities, allowing companies or organizations to create completely customized cruise experiences. Full ship charters transform the vessel into a private floating resort. Wedding and anniversary celebrations receive special attention, with dedicated coordinators who arrange ceremonies, receptions, and romantic amenities. The Mediterranean backdrop provides stunning photo opportunities for life's milestone moments. Guest experiences aboard MSC Sinfonia consistently exceed expectations in delightful ways. One couple celebrating their anniversary discovered their cabin decorated with rose petals and champagne, arranged by their server who remembered their special occasion from casual dinner conversation. A family traveling with elderly grandparents found crew members going above and beyond to ensure mobility-challenged guests could participate in all activities. Elevator priority and reserved seating demonstrated thoughtful consideration for passenger needs. Solo travelers consistently praise the ship's welcoming atmosphere, where dining alone never feels awkward and joining group activities happens naturally. The crew actively includes single passengers in conversations and activities. Food allergy sufferers appreciate the kitchen staff's careful attention to dietary restrictions, with chefs personally explaining ingredients and preparation methods. This level of care ensures everyone can enjoy worry-free dining throughout their cruise. Repeat passengers often request the same staterooms and develop relationships with crew members who remember them from previous cruises. This continuity creates a sense of homecoming that larger ships rarely achieve. The value proposition of MSC Sinfonia becomes clear when comparing what you receive versus what you pay. The ship delivers authentic Mediterranean experiences, quality dining, comfortable accommodations, and personalized service at prices that won't break the bank. This cruise ship proves that bigger isn't always better when it comes to creating memorable vacation experiences. The intimate size, authentic Italian character, and excellent value make MSC Sinfonia a standout choice for Mediterranean cruising. Whether you're seeking romantic getaways, family bonding, cultural exploration, or simply relaxation under Mediterranean sunshine, this ship delivers experiences that linger in memory long after you've returned to everyday life. The Sinfonia reminds us why cruise travel remains one of the world's most beloved vacation styles.